Here a picture has been shown which shows the movement of the earth's plates. It is a diagram shown here where the different colors show the different regions of the earth inside. The outermost layer which is seen is at the top, and the innermost part of the layer is shown here as colliding layer. This part of the layer which is colliding is hitting. So the crack has been shown in this picture. This crack is the crack which we were talking about on the previous section. A plate goes under another due to collision. Now when the earth had cracks developed inside when it was forming millions of years ago, these cracks were under great pressure because of the pressure of the gases inside. So these faults were moving over the liquid which is at the bottom of the earth. Now when these plates, they are called plates because they are big, they are not small, some of the plates are bigger than the size of a continent. Their size is bigger. So Indian subcontinent is said to be a big plate which was earlier not part of the Asian continent. It was part somewhere situated in the southern part of the earth. So with the evolution, with the time passing, this plate started moving towards the north and it hit against the continent, Asian continent. The place where the Indian continent hit the Asian continent, there a crack was developed. This crack, due to the force of the continent, developed the Himalayas. As a result, in this picture you can see that the force which is developed causes these plates to move over each other. So when these plates move over each other, it causes an earthquake in the place where the hitting takes place. So these underground plates start moving and therefore an earthquake is observed. Although we know for sure what causes an earthquake, it is not yet possible to predict when and where the next earthquake might occur. So this also all of you might be knowing that we can predict weather conditions, we can predict a cyclone, we can predict the weather of a place, but we cannot predict the earthquake. The reason is earthquake vibrations, when they are formed, the vibrations do not start from beginning. These vibrations suddenly start and we can't predict what is going on inside the earth. But it has been seen with the research that some research is going on that we will be able to predict earthquake some minutes ago and we can take precautions, but the intensity of earthquake will not be able to be predicted. So earthquakes cannot be predicted because they start at the instant and then after the vibrations are there, then they are recorded. That we will read in